Hello, so I thought this might be an interesting video to make in regards to how exactly I'm trying to grow a YouTube channel basically purely about ferrets as a whole. So basically, as a whole, you probably heard the thing before that more videos are generally better than less. I would in general agree with that idea. That definitely does apply. The more videos you have, the more likely one of them will become popular in Google's algorithm or something people will be more inclined to watch. Because if, for example, these ones, we watch these ones, if we use examples of the four ones I uploaded yesterday, we can see number four is not that popular, number three is pretty popular, number two is not, number one is not. So you can basically see in some cases certain videos themselves will be popular or picked up by Google's algorithm. One of the things I've noticed more and more regarding to doing YouTube sort of stuff is I've noticed that actually likes themselves can actually play a big ranking boost in a lot of cases. Even just a simple one or two likes on a video itself gives Google a very positive, if you like, signal from YouTube telling them this is a good video, this is an important video. So in some cases, getting more likes to your video can be used as a positive way to boost your traffic or your rankings for different keyword or keyword phrases. Because if we use, for example, this one here, according to that, at the moment, it's not really ranking for any basically tags. Tags is like the YouTube version of keywords, in case you don't know. So the more you get from that itself, the higher rank is, the more likely chance of you being able to get the maximum traffic for whatever tags you're trying to rank. Image quality like that one itself can be used as a potential way to boost the rankings of your site or your video as a whole. So the more basically subs you get, the more likely you are to be able to rank. Because you can see there that itself is a good photo videos of basically my polka guy or drummer T. It's quite good quality, and I think a lot of people like him using his tongue. So it's quite a good, basically, video we got, even though it's quite short. I've noticed in regards to shorts themselves are as a whole much more easier to rank than actual proper videos. Proper videos themselves will be generally 1 minute or longer, but it is harder to rank longer videos than shorts as a whole. We also have to aware in regards to what's actually going on regarding TikTok. TikTok itself is at the moment meant to be getting banned again. I believe it's still banned in India, and I believe it's banned in some other countries as well. But with regard to what's happening in the Western world, it will probably start to get banned quite soon. So what exactly does that mean for YouTube itself? Well, it basically means YouTube Shorts themselves will probably get a bit more popular if all the obviously TikTok people using that app stop using it, then YouTube Shorts itself will probably take over as a whole. In regards to how much money you can make from it, that's again debatable. I've heard from different people you're not actually making much money from YouTube Shorts. You may get something if you're doing a lot of videos or a lot of views, but compared to longer videos, you'll generally make less money. But you can use shorts themselves as a way to basically get faster rankings or faster traffic. So at the moment, on 15th of March 2024, I'm on at the moment 35 subs. So I'm basically going to try and get up to 40, 50, 100, 1,000, and so on, and then see what I can do with this channel. I'm basically mostly experimenting at the moment. I will include some of the Web 2.0s I'm using so you can get the idea of how to use Web 2.0s to help rank up your video. That will be coming in the next couple of weeks. I'll be including a list of Web 2.0s I use or Web 2.0s I got the best results from so far. I do have a very big collection of Web 2.0s in case you don't know, but I will include the ones I believe are best. I won't include, all the Web 2.0s I've found in my life, such as ones from Finland and other countries. I'll be basically purely including the ones I believe which will give you your best rankings for YouTube videos or best views and best ways to get ranking increases for your videos or your traffic or your clients. Anyway, that's all the video. Thanks and have a good weekend. See you later. Bye.